In the volatile world of trading, indicators can provide false hope. MACD, though a powerful tool, operates without the ability to learn or adapt. It delivers signals but cannot discern the fluctuations and underlying reasons behind market movements. A sudden rise may give way to a sharp decline, leaving traders questioning the reliability of their charts. The gap between manual strategy and market unpredictability can often lead to losses that can be disheartening. Imagine enhancing the robustness of MACD with the prowess of artificial intelligence. This combination transcends automation. It introduces a learning system into trading. AI has the capacity to recognize intricate patterns, filter out market noise, and adapt to an ever-changing landscape. With this integration, MACD's traditional signals gain a new dimension. It's not just about following indicators. It's about engaging in a dialogue with the market that evolves over time and responds to real-time data, pinpointing opportunities and mitigating risks. The compelling statistics speak for themselves. By backtesting strategies that merge AI capabilities with MACD signals, traders witnessed an astounding growth of over 1,150%. While classic approaches yield modest results, AI's analytical acumen screens out weak setups, enhancing overall trading efficacy. It assesses variables like volume spikes, market sentiment, and volatility, allowing only the most promising trades to enter the fold. This modern tool transforms the approach to trading, from guessing to precise analysis, eliminating hesitation and building confidence in decision-making. As traditional indicators struggle amid market noise, AI becomes the discerning eye, ensuring a trader's path to profits is as seamless as possible.